How you doing, Ralph here, Ralph Customs? New week, new Vee Log. Been trying to sort out a chain tensioner for our Steve's Sportster. He bought me this one up, and it had mounting brackets like this. Look on it. I'm not filming it very well, but you get the picture. It was like designed to clamp around a square section of something. What I worked out is that if I mount it, I'm going to mount it somewhere off the back of that electrics box. It's going to go, the wheel will be the other way around, so it'll face outwards, and this mechanism will go towards his electrics box. I'm going to make a little bracket. So I've altered this bracket in effect. I'm going to fix it, weld it onto there, and then we'll have two bolts going through the electrics box, well, battery box. And then the battery box can sit where it needs to sit to do the business for the chain tensioner. And everybody's happy. We'll get that made up, eh? So, I've gone with the short sleeves because so many people have messaged to say they're worried about me. So, health and safety third. As if by magic, the shopkeeper appeared. No, look, we've now fixed that on. So that can go in situ. Let me that out of the way. It's going to sit kind of like that. And bolted to the back of the battery box accordingly. So, under tension, that's a bit hard actually. Under tension though. So the battery box will sit against it and it will all sit square and everyone's happy and the job's a good one. We'll get that drilled through, bolted down, we'll fix the electrics box, battery box, sorry, at the same time. That's mounted. See, it works on this spring. Helps get the chain tensioned. Mounted securely to the battery box, and the battery box is now mounted in the frame. Next thing on this is to get the headset bearings in, and then we've got a little cover to make and a chain guard. I need to alter this mud guard as well to put the chain guard in place. So onward and upwards. So we've made that little cover lock that's going to sit off there and just smooth over the top of the bad camera work, smooth over the top of the intake there. Super. Mounted that, modified and mounted the old chain tensioner. Made a chain guard and the brackets, mounted it. I've fitted these headset bearings. This is an adapter kit to take a modern stem in the old iron head frame. It's lovely. I had to chop a little bit out there where the cup was touching the frame, and I need to consult with Steve and see what I want to do about this hitting this and the lack of steering stops. So that'll be next on my agenda, but we've got it sitting on its wheels more or less. It's just kissing the jack, and it sits lovely, absolutely lovely. Ben's is done. Ben's and Steve's log on the cosy end. That's next for a strip down. Watch this space. And this has got a full battery, so I'm trying my best to charge it up and get it sorted. So we're just on our bends. Give it a quick clean off for him. Give it a nice soapy bath. The old snow foam. Get rid of all the dust and grime and greasy handprints and everything else. Yeah. So our Stevens is getting steering stops today. I've cleaned those locks off that I showed you earlier. I'll give them a proper clean up when it's stripped down. But that's that. Steering stop's done. Ready for the exhaust that might take a week or so to get here. And then we can rip it down, weld it all up. Job's a good one. Over here, look, we've got a new sander. Just come today. I want a belt sander, a nice bench top belt sander. It's got a disc attachment on the side, so keep your fingers off. I've used the rest that comes with that for the upright. It's supposed to go there, but you can't have it on both places at once, and I'm going to use that a lot more than I am the other. So I'm looking forward to putting that through its paces. And there you go. Nice and shiny in all this glory. Bless it. Pleased with the bars. Work really well. And the new side mount. New indicators. Loads of little bits and bobs. That's all nice and shiny and ready for him to pick up. Wow, what a fucking strange week. Here endeth the vlog. Let's have a look. It's been a difficult fucking week, I can't deny it. I've really struggled. It's not much going on to show you. It's a bank holiday weekend and I'm starting on Steve's shoveler tomorrow. That's going to have its own separate video series. And we'll see whether he has a lot of work done or a little bit of work done. Not really sure. But it's been an interesting one. It's a fucking lovely sunny day. I'm going to get on my fucking Blue Princess on the dyno and I'm going to put some miles in and then I'm going to go home and relax. So thanks for watching. It's been a bit eclectic. I'm not sure how the video is going to turn out. I tried using a GoPro, I'll call it, because it's a cheap GoPro copy, with mixed results. Bit of a learning curve. I'm trying to get better shots of lathe work so you can see what I can see when I'm turning on the lathe. And that fucking that didn't work at all. Camera shake, sorry. So bear with me, we're getting there. Not a lot else to say apart from the usual. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tap on the bell wherever it is so you get alerts. Read my description and follow my friends. And if you like what they do, leave a comment so they know you came from me. Yeah? Big love. And I'll see you soon.